Hello everyone, this is Yamini Parepalli. My roll number is 20BQ1A04I8 and now I am going to tell my chemistry seminar and my topic is functionality of polymers. Here, what does functionality mean? The number of reactive sites present in the monomer is termed as functionality. Any molecule to act as a monomer, it must have at least 2 reactive sites. That is, its functionality should be at least 2. Now, we'll see some examples regarding functionality. The first example is ethylene. The structure of ethylene is CH2 double bond CH2. Now we'll see the functionality of ethylene. Here, the condition to form a polymer is it must have many monomer units. So here the monomer is CH2 double bond CH2. Now in this equation, after polymerization, this double bonds, all these double bonds will be converted to sigma bonds, that is CH2 single bond CH2, and here sigma bond will be formed. CH2 single bond CH2, here sigma bond CH2 CH2, again sigma bond CH2 CH2, and so on, and sigma bonds will be continued until how many ethylene molecules we will be taken, and this can also be represented as CH2 single bond CH2 N molecules, because polymer is made up of N monomers. Here, functionality of ethylene is 2. Now we'll see another example, that is phenol. Phenol's functionality can be 2 or 3. In the first case, phenol's functionality is 2. We'll see how the functionality is for phenol is 2. This is the structure of phenol and this is the structure of formaldehyde. Here the formaldehyde will be placed in ortho position only at the ortho position of the phenol. The ortho positions of the phenol are 2 and 6. Now we'll see its structure, how it's formed. Phenol, OH, CH2, CH2, again phenol, and this structure will be continued. This structure will be continued how many molecules until how many molecules will taken, and this is known as Novalac. Therefore, here the functionality of phenol in this case is 2. Now we will see how the functionality of phenol is 3. Here the formaldehyde will be connected to ortho positions and even para positions. We will see how it is. Here first the CH2 will be formed in ortho position. Phenol and CH2. Now again phenol at para position. This is how it is formed, and the structure will be here. The structure will be here as phenol, CH2, phenol, OH, CH2, and here again CH2 will be formed between the two phenols. Even here CH2 will be formed, and since this is a polymer, there will be N units. This structure is known as bakelite, and here the functionality of phenol is 3. Now we'll see another example, isoprene. The IUPAC name of isoprene is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene, and this is the structure: CH2 double bond CH3 CH double bond CH2, and after polymerizing the polymer is in this way, and this is known as polyisoprene, and it is also called as natural rubber. And here the functionality of isoprene is 2. Now we will see vulcanization example. What does vulcanization mean? Adding sulfur to the natural rubber and heating it is known as vulcanization, and the polymer formed is in this way, that is CH2 CH3 CH2 and sulfur linkages, and again CH2 CH3 CH2. This is known as vulcanized rubber. This is the polymer of dried polymer paint film. The functionality of triglycinide ester of linoleic acid is 12. This is about functionality. Thank you.